Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
I'm sorry, but your package is a little overweight. About 200 grams over the limit. You can pay $10 more or make it lighter.
Oh no. Overweight? That's not good. What should we do?
Let's check. Maybe I'll take out one book. It's heavy.
But it's a gift for your sister. Are you sure?
Don't worry. I'll send it later in another package. Right now, we need to save money.
Perfect. Now it's under the limit. Problem solved. I'll close the box with tape.
And that's just one of the surprises you'll hear in today's story at the post office. In this video, you'll not only enjoy a fun conversation, but you'll also learn real English words and useful sentence patterns you can practice right away. So, stay with me until the end, because the phrases you learn here might be the exact ones you'll need the next time you send a package. Wow, it's really busy today.
Yeah. Look at that line. It's so long. I hope we don't have to wait forever.
Patience, Tom. Sending love takes time. By the way, why are we here again?
I need to send this package. It's for my sister in Australia. Today is her birthday.
Oh, that's sweet. What did you put inside?
Some books, a scarf, and a small gift.
Look, that woman is buying stamps. Do you still send letters, Tom?
Not really. I usually send emails or texts. Letters take too long.
Same here. But don't you think stamps are beautiful? Some have flowers, some have pictures of places.
That's true. Maybe I should buy a few today. It feels more personal.
Exactly. A little tradition we shouldn't forget.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hello. I want to send this package to Australia.
Please put the package on the scale.
Sure.
It's 3 kilograms. What is inside?
Books, a scarf, and a small gift.
Any food or liquids?
No, nothing like that.
Please fill out this form with the name, address, and phone number.
But I already wrote the address on the box.
That's good, but we still need the form. Don't worry, it's simple.
See? Nothing to be nervous about.
Do you want normal delivery or express delivery?
What's the difference?
Normal takes about 3 weeks. Express takes about 1 week.
Express, please.
The cost is $30.
Here you are.
I'm sorry, but your package is a little overweight. About 200 grams over the limit. You can pay $10 more or make it lighter.
Oh no. Overweight? That's not good. What should we do?
Let's check. Maybe I'll take out one book. It's heavy.
But it's a gift for your sister. Are you sure?
Don't worry. I'll send it later in another package. Right now, we need to save money.
Perfect. Now it's under the limit. Problem solved. I'll close the box with tape.
Oh, I also need some stamps.
How many?
CC, how many do we need?
maybe 10. 5 local and 5 international.
Sure. Here they are.
Oh, look! These stamps are beautiful. They have flowers on them.
Then you can write me a letter.
Or maybe I'll just text you.
Huh. Maybe both.
Tom, will your sister get the package on time?
I hope so. That's why I chose Express. I want it to arrive in 1 week.
Hey, look at that sign. They also do money transfers here.
Really? I didn't know that. The post office is more useful than I thought. Finally, everything is done. I feel so much better now.
Yes, and don't forget, you also bought stamps. Now you can write me a real letter.
Haha, okay. Maybe 1 letter, but also a message.
Now that you've listened to the story, let's take a closer look at some vocabulary and sentence patterns you can practice today. And if you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. Package, meaning a box or parcel that you send or receive. Stamp, meaning a small piece of paper you stick on a letter to pay for delivery. Scale, meaning a device to measure weight. Overweight, meaning too heavy, more than the allowed weight. Receipt, meaning a piece of paper showing you have paid for something. Clerk, meaning a person who works at a service desk helping customers. Express delivery, meaning a fast way of sending packages. Address, meaning the place where someone lives. Form, meaning a document with blank spaces to write information. Tracking number, meaning a code to follow a package online. I want to send this package to, meaning use when sending something to a person or place. Do you want normal delivery or express delivery? Meaning asking about the type of service. Please put the package on the scale. Meaning asking someone to weigh a package. The package is overweight by, meaning to say something is heavier than the limit. Here is your receipt and tracking number, meaning when giving confirmation after payment. So, how many new words and sentence patterns did you pick up from today's lesson? I'd love to hear your answers in the comments below. Your feedback helps us grow together. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like to support the channel. Don't forget to stay tuned because more exciting lessons are coming your way. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next video.